Here are the 2 lobsters we caught last night, along with a few small fish. We will take them now to make today's breakfast. Brothers, I have already roasted morning tea. I'm going for a big one. Look at the meat. Ah, these lobster heads and fish bones. Although there's not much meat left, we shouldn't waste them. First, we'll use this torn fishing net to wrap these lobster heads and fish bones. Then add a papaya. Use a wooden mallet to thoroughly pound it so it releases its aroma better. Now our bait for luring them is ready. Let's go. We'll deploy it now. I place the bait in this pit and then cover it with stones to prevent the bait from being lost. This fishing spot setup needs some time and patience. Let's go. It's low tide right now, so let's catch some shellfish. Oh, this saddle. Inside here is a fish gatherer. I'll take it out. Hey, Brother Bing, did you strike it rich? I see you again. Oh, there's also a coconut snail here. Hey. There's a fish down there. Oh, such a beautiful fish. I'll take it. Bending over to pick up. Brothers, it's such a shame. The lobster got away. But today's catch is still okay. A lobster, a fish, a large hermit crab with a full belly of yellow, and a coconut shell snail. Let's take these back and roast them. Brothers, our fire is ready. We can start grilling this seafood now. Let's grill the lobster first. Brothers, all the seafood we caught is grilled now. Shall we? Come and eat. There's too little today. Not even enough to fill the gaps between my teeth. Hey, having something to eat is good enough. I'll start with a hermit crab. This chicken smells really good right now. This braised meat is also good. Here, this lobster is for you. In the evening, the water pit should be filled too. After dinner, we will go and get the goods from the water pit.